Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Good afternoon, my people. Good afternoon, all wonderful Edo people. Good afternoon, Omofuma, the counter puncher, the one that can never be afraid of those Idia Inesige number 50. Idia Inesige, we hear say, Idia Inesige number 50, we hear say, Moses Rabo, and I frustrate you very soon. You go poop pants, raw enter train station for 10 minutes. Very soon. Very soon we hear saying that Moses Rabo, the Shentru of of our time. Now I frustrate you. The Shentru of our time frustrate you because there's a bit of madness. They give yourself title. Social media police, social media gateman, social media security, social media India Inesige number 200. Uhunda, Omila Akim, Uhunda, devil. You are frustrated with Milake. The fact need to be told. Your frustration, the exhibit, the smell, it ooze over you. It show for your voice. Your frustration, the ooze. So you can fool those idiots like your type that you choose to fool. People like Uhunda, Mumu talk show. We call itself Aiwanmumu. We go turn to your new kid on the block where you recruit. Say you want to intimidate me. Or go kid that one. That one is nobody. But seriously, I want to give you one last word today because you are so worthless. You are worthless more than the tissue paper at the poo-poo. Now you be. You're inconsequential. You are an uneducated fool, a stupid woman, a prostitute. That's what you are. You are a prostitute who will not gain. Now you be. To say you're not the gain. If you not come on air, say you want to take that cheap lane, take on gain your popularity, which at worst if you never will still get her. Because they go use you, they go dump you. Your idea in SG number 50, you never still make name rich. Where as it is buga the rich, as it is zanga the rich with her madness, where the whole world no say she dey mad. She never still get anything if they there. Now two people, one person see the looker. Wait to now gang up for Monica team just to go get make they publish you now. Make them go those on a fake blog or those on a shower blog wanna go create 50. And mind you, all of now they take my pictures, proof on now. I go drop all of on a page. Seriously, this on one area I want quickly chip in. I go drop all of on a page. There's no two ways about it. All those on crayfish blogs, tafia gist, tafia whatever. Aproko blog, all of una wanna go they put my picture, come they join that idiot blind woman, blind breastless Idia Inesige number 70, number 1000. That one now is inconsequential. That one where they find title. Now title now they find Euro for. You want collect title. Seriously? I go drop all of una page. So this one I notice make I warn una. I don't give una warning. Seriously. Those stupid tafia blog, tafia gist, and those small children when I go to recruit for Nigeria. Those hungry boys. We know the story now. We know everything. We know how it be. That small boy now, that go recruiter, make they talk. That one hungry, the bitter. See his head. He be like eye. He be like toothpick. Hunger don't killer. A way to survive. We know their type. I've seen many of their type. They don't come my inbox. They come beg me for favor. I've seen many of their type. They hunt to come defend the indefensible because they don't suffer. They are frustrated. By this time last year or sometime 2 years ago, we were telling them Obaseki is not going to work, but they refuse to believe. Now they got sitting on social media. Some of them are somehow creative. They are designing our pictures. We see they give them small card. But that one, because you say, we could not call on shower. The idiotic people, they bastardize our name, we will call on shower. Make on a hawk transformer. Una must be known for that name. Not all. Some are exempted in this dispensation. That is how it has always been. I have never generalized, but because of this low myopic way of these people assimilating words, they cannot understand the stupid Aiwanmumu talk show that came out in a very positive way. Then don't know one person to look at. What she get here, not say that just attention she want. I wanted to blow her. That's why they beg me to blow her. Carry go Nigeria wash. Me carry go me and you. Every say no, we will take this one. Say no. Everybody go take. I wanted to blow her. Now I come go gang up with evil. He just singing number 50. Come bring her with a mama small letter G who go kill all of them put together. You are nowhere near Omofuma. All of them put together. Una mama, the social media security gate woman. You know near. The stupid Aiwanmumu talk show, she not near. You are inconsequential. You are nobody. Your papa, your mama, and I be a lady. You they smell, you they ooze. I will insult you like never before. If you don't say you not be a lady, show yourself. If they look you now, maybe you be dwarf. Show yourself and stop hiding in the dark. It's a challenge. If you know you are beautiful, you're not getting shady D where you hide. Why you go hide for dark? Come show yourself and let's see who you are before you fight for the liberation of whatever. How come somebody in the dark fighting for a great kingdom in the dark, you are not known? That's a slap in the kingdom, in all ramification, all logical way of reasoning. It's a slap. So if they tell us no go school, the school no go, don't too disturb on head. You people lack knowledge. And my people die for lack of knowledge. That's a basic fact. And Omofuma is too much intellectually progress more than you. Aiwanmumu stupid Mumu talk show and again about 500 put together. That's the basic fact, the basic truth. Either you choose to shove it down your gathered throat or you don't. It's a fact. I'm too smart, too sound, more than you. Because they call your head delinquent. You know what to be delinquent. Delinquent where I go beat you come up for anywhere. Delinquent where I go beat you anytime. So this will be my last time I will talk to you. You cannot write your name there, but I say I will call your name. Because when they write your name, they give you popularity. They go say, who and Omofuma they call. So I will not write your name on my platform anymore. I don't even want to speak to you because in as much as I'm concerned, you are so much irrelevant. You're not getting to know the project. Not to know the project. I not see anything significant that you have been able to project on this cyberspace. My records are there. During the last governorship election, I was called on many platforms, different platforms, to analyze issues as it bothers us as a people. Who call you? Mumu talk show. I want we not go ever feel wineful till you go die. You not go wineful. You go always the wine, go wineful, go meet evil people. That's where you always go. The tide take you to the evil people. I can see everybody in Manchester. Thank you for being here. So in a nutshell, the road to heaven is so narrow, and the way that leads to destruction is so broad. So when it comes to issues that are very, very insignificant to our people, they are always there. But this one, I just want to give these people the last time they talk to them. In as much as Omofuma is concerned, they are not worth my time, worth my energy, worth my gigabyte, worth anything. Come put face on the line, they talk to Mumu, breastless woman. We arrogate certain rules when nobody give to her. She is the number one culprit. She has insulted everybody, every chiefs in Europe. She have insulted all of them. So what do you want to tell me? Kettle the call pot black. Kettle the call pot black. If you don't cause everybody, Chief Osula, Chief, all the chiefs, even the Esahenogi, you just call if you Omila, they call if you your party, your partner in crime. You think what is good for the goose is what is good for the gander is not good for the goose? So I don't know how you people want us to look this thing, oh Georgia. Una go one close una own goods. Una don't go from all the stupid pages where now they carry my picture, they put on top. I promise una I go drop una. Any YouTube person will not give my right to put my videos or my picture for a page. I know who I give. I know who I give right to take my videos. Not because when I start, then they will say, we don't start. I know who I give right to take my videos so seriously. Just want to chip in this fact. Say, Omila is small letter mama, small letter G. You not reach mama, not to talk of a G. You not reach. If I they talk to now always, it be like say, they waste my time. So no matter what, this will be the last time I will address on an issue again. Because as far as I'm concerned, if you know I want to talk, if you know say you tough, you know say delinquent is streetwise. Anyhow you call me delinquent. But I tell you for my last video, I do say that your clitoris not be delinquent. Your husband are delinquent. Everything about you are delinquent because you are not a person of a how do I put it? You're not firm in your beliefs. You can't go hide. You they curse women because una be a shower. All of una where they support evil. Why una mama never fit do DNA all these years? DNA. Why you never fit do one? CNN, according to my brother Titi, why you never fit do one? If she stand firm, she stand on the lane of truth. She stand on the lane of being say yes. As a married woman, this thing has been taking some time. Let me just clear the doubt from the airwaves and let these people go and die in shame. Do it. Now, when I go hide in the dark, the supporter, because he theory that they feel they promote now for those stupid small pages, because when that Facebook money now want eat. Now, when I want to be blogger, by all means, everybody, I don't give a shit. My message is all, my message, I go pass her. If blogger take he not take for record purposes, it will be there for eternity that Omofuma said this. This was my beliefs, my ideas, my philosophy. And in where I stand, without compromising, without caring whose ass is being God or favored, you cannot intimidate Omofuma. That is one fact I want to show that these stupid two people, two of them, stupid illiterates. In as much as I'm concerned, you are so stuck in all ramifications, not well learned, not well schooled to speak when Omofuma is speaking. That's a basic fact. Where they talk in terms of where are they missing, they share intellectual ideas with people. No nearer. So me digressing solo, they rubbish myself to now. They come to my class. So today will be the last day. We no water. We no feel water. So this is my message. So seriously, those are psychocro bloggers. Now psychocro bloggers, I they give you a warning. If you know say my picture, you go blog whether they sort me my picture, they quickly come out because when I unleash on when I go say not be known as Sabia, we still Sabia. I'm a hard worker. I still day break now. Now make me get time to talk to now. So now we lazy. I want to talk show we lazy. Retired human trafficker. That is so lazy, so daft. When they take and when they do an answer, make I do it for you. When they look war, we can show you houses too. Will go kill you. Wrath of God strike you dead. And you don't. A small injection will I give you. Day before you say you don't rock on my page, call the press for head. You don't see me for your page one day. Who are you for me to call your page? I saw your video. There's time you say they do video. I said, think concern me. I know she's inconsequential. She's not important. Who is she? An idiot for the pit of her. One dejected the stark illiterate in the street of Italy. We marry he became mate. We for sure don't kill her after they stop human trafficking. Now I can't bother myself over. I don't know if you watch your video. I cannot come to your word, call the look what you they do. You are so unimportant. You are not it. I cannot come to your word, call look your word. Aiwanmumu Sige number 200. I know if you call una word, call look una. Una not be people. I know people where I'll just say yes, make I go look. Not be una. Idiots. Idiots want to be popularity by all means, jealousy, spirit. Yuri, una the jealouser. Leave Yuri for her to face her cause. Not be una. Nobody arrogate any rule to una. Nobody know una. Not una leave Yuri to follow the proper channel, to follow whatever. To err is human, to forgive is divine. not be una. Jealousy. The money wey they get, the pepper love for body. Not forget that for all na prostitution, una do for all una human trafficking. Now be the pains. Jealousy. Now they kill of una. Liver. Make una liver. We've spoken enough about this issue. Make una live here. Make una face una life. And let the normal process follow. Due process follow. Not be una. Nobody say una. Nobody sell now that social media security get woman. Social media get woman. No security get woman. Now get woman you be that one breast woman. And the stupid mumu Aiwanmumu dejected fucking smelling oozing pussy. That's what you are. Dejected, frustrated, led husband. Your husband I be led. Your husband never bath. Your husband is smell. Your Everybody Moses, I beg go give Omila even that 500. Give her back. Make she get herself back. Be like say that about that in her 200 in the pair. Give her small 500 back or the 2K we thief for her. Because that it don't cause depression. The depression not too much. It don't give her herself all the big names. Big name. Idia Inesigi number 2 will go kill you. If now you feel be Idia Inesigi number 2, there's something wrong. May the wrath of God strike you and you are a stupid, idiotic. I want to talk show the one what they call the small letter G. Inconsequential people in the dark are not the kind of people and for the address. So honorably, I bar out for this one stupid concentration of arguing like fools. I'm not in that school of thought to argue like fools with una. I don't want to share ideas with una. Ideas not the worthy for me to come bring out my voice again to talk about. I thought maybe I would put sense into my head, but obviously sense not in my head. From now to the end of the world, sense not in my head. I'll be dejected, frustrated, demonic, and cursed people. The three people I mentioned here. They are so insignificant. They are cost. They are really cost. So there's nothing Omofuma can do about your situation. You are frustrated. So it's left for people to know. Me, I have gotten a good life. I dey sweet. I dey smile. I dey enjoy. I dey walk. So the records are there. Are there for Italy here? Who's me? Find me out. Check my history. Check my records. Tell people say how Omofuma be. If they work, I be no they work. Now woman they feed I be now they feed woman. Check. Una dey fit investigate now. Go check whether I be liability, whether they carry my wife go rude, whether they go give my wife, they go give pikin breast suck for road. Check her. But now if it come out now, someone will not talk her. Make we keep quiet. Now be the adase for now. May the wrath of God strike una dead. What they make una the verse now because we talk truth. We talk truth, say what Ajebo do, Ajepako do, no good. What most of una they do no good. Una go gang up. They go recruit una come. Omila recruit Aiwanmumu who die. We not go 1 foot till he go die. Go recruit small letter G. Come, make come beat Omofuma. Go kill you. If you beat Omofuma. Now for here I go they do small video. I don't do a rich. To me, I not fit do talk to una again. Well, but seriously, let me tell you those small bloggers where they put my pictures there. If I drop on a page, one another. So my people, the good people of Edo State, not gonna get a good fun feed day. The small boy when I recruit, tell him make say make he go hide. That one a mosquito. Now mosquito if you do any, I go flog her to this night for Bini. If that small one you're doing here, I will send people when they go flog her. When they give her 12 stroke of the K, that small social media pastor when I go bring come out, make all the defend nonsense for her. That one, and on the promoter, I say. That idiot, women are shower, women are shower. Women will be a shower must be called a shower without being generalizing. The dirty people in the society need to be condemned. That's a fact. We don't pamper evil, we don't pamper nonsense. We say it bluntly as it is without caring whose house is being God. So that's so it be. We don't compromise for evil. We don't compromise for evil. Make we live now. Now the things can't spoil like this. In a society, when those that have the voice to speak doesn't speak against evil, the society will be dead. The society will be a disastrous society. That is why people like me come out to always condemn una evil acts. Because una evil act, this smell, it ooze like corpse. When maggots don't they come out for the body? Things will come out, no feel judge her as it is. No, they compromise. This one I'm my own, they make you keep quiet. The other one not be my own, I make you hit her. No. Let's generalize. I've always been generalizing. I gave you a challenge, the stupid Mumu talk show. Bring an Esa man where they carry his wife, go road, where go carry his wife, so may go do prostitution for her, come collect the money. After they still do their shower finish, the man go their house, go say me the wife come they pay her money monthly. Bring an Esa man and bring it to my table, bring it to my inbox. Let me see that man. It's not existing. If it exists, bring it to my table. As the coordinator of Esa agenda in Italy, bring that man to my table. Make her wash her matter. Say, sons, we don't compromise to that extent. We don't do it. We never they take up. Now a taboo for our land. You know they happen for Western land. A man go carry his wife when he pay by even girlfriend self. It's not allowed. We get dignity, we get honor. We the jealous who only our woman are for we alone. No matter the millions where the woman want go bring up for another man, we don't accept her. That's our honor. That's our dignity as Essence. So I'm very proud to be an Essence. If you like, go hug Chochoma. Now so they born me, now so I be. It's in my DNA. I'm an Essence man. So have a nice day, my people.